Monday, August the 8th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here along with you. Unsettled weather pattern here over the next several days with good chances for showers and storms. Here's a look from the CAROWINDS area. This is the Carolina Harbor Water Park. Looks like our transition is stuck here on our graphic system. That happens from time to time, so we'll wait for that to pop in just a moment. But it is a warm and humid start to the day on our Monday. We had very, very humid conditions over the weekend. Saturday, frankly, a pretty miserable type of day in terms of the heat and humidity for a lot of the day. And still pretty hot yesterday. And still very humid too, but pretty unsettled setup now with showers and thunderstorms becoming quite likely here as we move through the next couple of days. Temperature there near Carowinds. Actually, that temperature sensor is still down. I'll show you the regional temperatures in just a moment. But a lot of folks in the 70s, a few upper 60s mixed in. Here's a look back at our highs yesterday across the southeast. 94 in Birmingham, 95 in Macon and Columbia, Knoxville 93. Around the Carolinas, 86 in Raleigh. It was 92 in Wilmington, 93 in Charlotte and Fayetteville, 77 in Boone, 80s across the Triad viewing area, a lot of 90s across the Charlotte viewing area, at least until you got into the northern sections of the viewing area and the eastern part of the area. And we did have a pretty active day yesterday with showers and storms. More on that in just a second. There's your highs yesterday, your temperatures this morning. Following those highs yesterday, we're in the 70s in most spots this morning, 82 in Myrtle Beach, 64 in Boone. Those are your extremes this morning. Dew points, they are sky high still as this very, very muggy summer continues. Now, here's the deal. You look back at the radar yesterday, you had the development of a pretty good amount of showers and storms during the afternoon, and you saw another wave of shower and thunderstorm activity develop along a front aloft last night and continue to lift to the north. Now, as we take a look at what's happening over the past couple of hours, that overnight activity gradually now exiting the northern parts of North Carolina as I cut the video during the 5 o'clock hour. And then look what's happening off to the south of us. The start of a very, very wet week along the Gulf Coast. Florida, back through coastal Alabama, Mississippi, and Louisiana. A lot of rain and storms now. And then look at this. These are rainfall totals over the next week from the European computer model. Some impressive rain amounts. 8, 10, 12 inches plus a possibility in some locations there along the Gulf Coast. Now let's talk about our weather here in the Carolinas. This low pressure is responsible for all that rain along the Gulf Coast, and occasionally disturbances pivoting around that. The air mass very, very moist here, and any little disturbance sets off around to showers and storms. So here's the high-resolution modeling, and you see especially as we get into the afternoon, the uptick in the coverage of showers and thunderstorms once again. As a for instance, you see the rain totals here from the latest run of the high-resolution modeling, so take these amounts with a grain of salt, but there will be some pockets of heavy rain and pockets of flooding that occur. Now, in terms of a flash flood watch, it's for the upstate into the Charlotte metro up to around I-40. Not technically included are the Triad and the Triangle regions, but even those areas, the Triad, the Triangle, it is certainly fair game to get some flash flooding issues developing over the next couple of days. There's your highs this afternoon. Now, as we get into tomorrow, the setup very much the same. That low pressure not moving much. We continue to have a good opportunity for some showers and thunderstorms. There's your Tuesday highs, and I still think even on Wednesday, pretty good chances for showers and thunderstorms sticking around. And there's your Wednesday afternoon highs. The storm chances then taper off a bit by late week, especially Friday and Saturday. Those are your 2 days probably with the lowest opportunities for rain. Tropics still pretty quiet. There is a little tropical wave here northeast of the Bahamas, but it is not showing any signs of development as we speak. Whoop. All right, let me get the right thing pulled up for you here. All right, here's the upper level chart. And again, here's what you're looking at. Near the Big Bend region of Florida, there's your disturbance. It's in place. Let's go out to Wednesday. There it is. Finally lifting north on the European model by Friday, and then there it goes, up and away thereafter. On the GFS model, there's your good chances today for showers and thunderstorms. Tomorrow, very much the same. Wednesday, very much the same. Thursday, fewer storms. And then again, as you get into Friday and Saturday, let's see, there's a look at Thursday. There's Saturday. Not a lot of activity around. Sunday, maybe a little bit of a better chance for storms. And certainly by Monday, I think we're looking at decent chances for scattered storms again. Now, let's talk rain totals. Here's what the WPC is putting out. This is their hand-drawn chart for 7-day rain totals. Obviously, some big numbers along the Gulf Coast and pretty wet even up through the mountains and the foothills of the Carolinas. The GFS, not quite as impressive with the rain totals is some computer modeling. For instance, I'll focus here on, well, don't know where that chart went. I had a close-up view of a couple spots, but that seems to have vanished. But let me go to the European model. All right, there, yeah, there we go. There's the European across the southeast, courtesy of weatherbell.com, and then there's the coastal Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama region. Really, really impressive amounts of rain throughout the week. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everybody have a great day, and God bless.